Hey, Kaleson guys, it's Chris from helper.com, and I did a tutorial, I think a week or two ago, creating a form and having it propagate into a list. And I'm going to add a step to this one. We're going to do a Power App, a very simple Power App on this particular one. So I have an old list that I had when I started these SharePoint tutorials. It was just a generic shopping list. And what we can do is let's create a form real quick. I'm not going to, oops, I don't want to go over that. Okay, right there. I'm going to create a form. This is going to be quicker than normal, just to the fact that, what the hell? Yeah, let me go back here. Forms, baby. Oh, new form. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to add, so the first one's, the title is actually going to be the product. So I'm just going to add product. And then I'm going to add a new one. And this is going to be the department or aisle. I have aisle here. Let's just put department. So let's do choice. Oops, choice. So we're going to put department. And option one is going to be, produce, meat, and cereal. So produce, meat, add option, cereal. All right, got it, buddy. All right, we're going to add our next thing, description. So we'll put in description. And then our next thing is going to be aisle. All right, so, I mean, it doesn't matter. This is just for practice and things of that nature. So we can share, we can copy. Let's open a new tab. Sorry, I can't talk and think at the same time. All right, so there's our simple form. All right, now we just have to add it. We have to link it to that list. Oop. And the one thing that I did forget to do is to name it. So I named it shopping list. And then I just refreshed this and it said shopping list. And then we'll go to Power App. So we are going to create a new Power App. We're just going to do automated cloud flow. We're going to put shopping list. And we're going to do form. New responses submitted. So create. Okay, we're going to pick our form. It's going to be shopping list. Okay, and then the next step is going to be form. And the response details. So it's going to be shopping list and response ID. And then it's going to SharePoint. So let's put in SharePoint. All right, and then we want create item. Let it load up the sites from making comics. Our list is going to be shopping list. We're going to go advanced. So our title is going to be our product. Department or aisle is going to be produce, meat, cleaning department or aisle. So the description is going to be description. Oops. Aisle is going to be aisle. So this is interesting. As produce. Okay, I've never done choices for a form, so this will be interesting to see how this turns out. Okay, and then I'm going to save it. So let's give it a go, shall we? So I don't know. We'll go milk. Do I have milk on there yet? All right, let's get some milk. All right, so produce. Produce, I guess. We'll just put it in produce. Doesn't matter. Description. Does a body good? I don't know. It's just for practice. And we'll put that in aisle 7. All right, so go and let's refresh. And there we go. Milk. It put it in produce. Wow. Okay. So I've never did that before. So it's cool that it got the proper choice. All right. Perfect. 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 So now what we're going to do is Power Apps. We're going to create a new. It's going to be a simple Power App. I'm not going to get too intense into it. I don't know that much about Power Apps, anyways. I'm still learning. So here's share. Let's do SharePoint, because we're going to put the Power App on SharePoint and sharing our list, so it links all together. So let's hit SharePoint. Okay, and I want a new connection, and I want SharePoint. Let's get this out of the way. No, I don't want new connection. Connections, Canvas. Yes, I do. I want SharePoint. Oh, here it is right here. Okay. Connect Cloud Service Connect using on-premises data gateway. I'm not going to do that right now. We'll do the cloud. It's going to be making comics. Custom list name is shopping list. Shopping list. Okay. Oh, there it is right there. I don't need to do that. Dang. Okay, shopping list connect. All right. Welcome to Power App Studio. See a preview of this app. Sure, why not? All right. So here's our Power Automate. And we can go and make changes. We're not going to do any of that in this particular tutorial. I just want to show you how to make the Power App a simple Power App and to put it on your website. So we're going to share. Oop, we'll save. Save as. Let's see. I want to share. That's what I want to do. Share your app with others. Please save it in Power Apps. So let's name it shopping list. Okay, makes sense. Save it. Now we can share it. So let's share. All right, I see what I need right over here. So I'm just going to X this out. Grab this ID right here. This app ID. And then I will get into SharePoint. Drive myself crazy with all these tabs. It's a short drive, as they say. All right, it doesn't really matter where we put it. I'll tell you where to put it. Stick it. All right, so we'll go down here. We'll just make new section. I'll do a 3 section here. All right, and we're going to plus, and we're going to look for Power App. So it's right at the bottom here, Microsoft Power App. Now that web part. And then we're going to come over here and put in the ID. And it should populate. All right, move my dumb ass over here. And I'm just going to save while that's doing its thing. It's loading up the Power App. There we go. And we can go in there and see what's going on with that. So it's pretty cool. It's very basic. I haven't really played with Power Apps too much. So as I learn, I will teach. It's good to learn something every day, no matter how old you are. And they said you couldn't teach old dogs new tricks. Here's an old dog learning new tricks. I'm just babbling. Okay, gals and guys, this is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. If you like this tutorial, you know the deal. Please subscribe, share if you know someone that would like to see this. Thumbs up if you like my videos, and hit that bell if you need updates. All right, lots more to come, lovers. I appreciate you as always, and I will catch you later.